Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're ready to make your business official and protect yourself legally, forming an LLC is one of the best and fast step. In this video, I will show you exactly how to start an LLC using Tailor Brands step by step, even if you have never done this before. So grab your coffee, hit that like button and let's get started. So why from an LLC? So first, why even from an LLC? So an LLC, a limited liability company, protects your personal assets. So if your business ever get sued for or runs into debt, your house, car, or savings are generally safe. It also makes you look more professional and can help you open a business bank account, get funding, or land bigger clients. Tailor Brands make this process beginner friendly. They handle the paperwork and guide you through it step by step, but there are a few things to watch for, so keep watching. What Tailor Brands actually is, before you just need to understand, let me give you a quick refresh that Tailor Brand is an all-in-one branding and business platform. Most people know it for its AI logo maker, but they also help you from an LLC. Here you can see this is their feature. Get your EIN, which is like a business social security number, and it helps you to set up a website and even design business cards. So if you want to get your business up and running in one place, Tailor Brands can help you to do it fast. So you just need to be signed up for Tailor Brands. Actually, you can see we already have an account, that's why we already landed in here. But when you will come over that place, Tailor Brands, let's see you will get this kind of an interface. So here you just need to be put the link in your description. Like I will put the link in the description, you will find out there. So you just need to create your free account. All you need is your name, email, and password. Once you're logged in, click on from an LLC. So here you can see this is the interface. So here you will get this kind of options when you create an account. So when you already logged in, you just need to click over here to the LLC. Once you click over here, they will ask you a few questions about your business, like your business name and your state. So here you can see easily start your US company with an LLC. Simple and accurate LLC filing for people looking to start a business in USA without drawing in bureaucracy. So what is an LLC? You can read it from here. Why do business owners prefer an LLC? To enjoy liability protection, like as a separate legal entity, LLC protects your personal assets. I already mentioned that. To look professional and trustworthy, like look credible and feel professional to your future customers. Then to pay less taxes, like unlock potential tax benefits that allow you to save money. Then last, to help raise funding, like getting fund and opening a bank account become easier. Then you can see dreams that become profitable, and they all start here. This company, million home retailers, they also create LLC from that place, like Tailor. This one also Sassy, Cook, Candy Rose. So you can see it, meet your business essential funnel in one place. So employee ID number, register agent, then annual compliance, then operating agreement. Your business start here. So you just need to choose your LLC state here. So here I am going to choose my LLC state. Like pick the state where you want to register your LLC. Usually you will choose the state where you live and do business. Some people click Delaware or Wyoming for tax purposes, but for most businesses, like most small businesses, it is easier to stick with your home state to avoid extra paperwork and fees. Tailor Brands will check if your business name is available in your state. If it is already taken, they will help you to tweak it. So now I am going to change, like non-US resident can only form an LLC in Delaware and Wyoming. So I just need to select one of them, just click to the get started. Now they will redirect us to the new on next step. Here you can see we already need to be fulfill 3 sections to complete LLC. So here you just need to be give your business name. So I will provide my business name, that will be my business name. Next, you will enter your business info. This includes your business address, your contract details, and your registrar agent info. Just click to the next, and then here you can see what stage we are currently in, just an idea, and click to the next. And here you just need to be give this answer. What are you planning to launch? We are digital as soon as possible. And then what we are digital industry. Okay, course, type your own courses, and then click to the skip. And here, are you planning to hire employees in the upcoming year? Not sure. Click to the next. And here, where will we have digital operate from? Online. Then click to the skip. And here, what else you are planning to do for your business? So I just want to do particular thing, that is LLC. So I will click to the next. And here you can see what did you already do. We are digital. Okay, logo. Next, I want a business plan free. Just click to the next. Here, and here you can see it. Fill out information. We are digital, so you just need to provide your first name, last name. I already mentioned. You can be your own registered agent, but if you don't want your personal address or public record, you can pay Tailor Brands to be your agent instead. This option they are providing. So then once you provide your first name, last name, number, then they will redirect you to the next. That is, you just need to pick your LLC package. Now you will choose your LLC package. Like Tailor Brands usually use a few options like basic, standard, and premium. Let's search for Tailor's LLC packages, and here you will see what kind of a package they provide. You can see it, LLC information. This is the light, that essential, and then we have this elite. So they all handle your LLC filling, and higher plans might include extra service like an EIN, operating agreement, or annual compliance reminders. If you don't want to get your in yourself, which you technically can do for free through the IRC, it can be worth paying a bit extra for Tailor Brands to handle it for you. So now we are going to pay our payment. Next, review all your info carefully, double check your business name and state. Once you are happy, then pay the filling fee. Heads up, Tailor Brands change you for their service, and you will also need to pay your state's filling fee. This varies a lot by state. Some are around $15, others can be over $300. So now we just need to wait for the approval. After you submit everything, Tailor Brands file your paperwork with your state. This can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks depending on where you live. Once your LLC is approved, you will get official documents like your articles or organization. Keep this safe. Tailor Brands will also store them in your dashboard so you can download them anytime. So now what do you next? So your LLC is official, but don't stop there. Here are a few things to do next, like get an EIN, then operate a business bank account, then create an operation agreement and build your brand. And that's it. That's exactly how you can start an LLC with Tailor Brands step by step. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy business tutorial. Got questions about LLC, Tailor Brands, or what to do next? Drop them in the comments. I read them all. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.